Hello everyone and welcome to Happy Streamers, and today I'm going to be talking about on how to make roles in Discord. Now it's super simple and super easy, and I'll be showing it to you guys right now. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. So first and foremost, you want to click on your server name and then go to server setting. Now remember, in order to make roles, you will need to be the server owner or server admin or someone with the admin power of a server. And you want to head over to roles, and from here you just want to click on create roles. Now after you click on create roles, you're going to see it's always going to be like this. So you can always click on create role again, and that's going to help you create another role, and then just click on it, and then that's going to be it. So now over here you've got your new role. You've already done it. The new role has been done. Now you can type whatever you want. I'm just going to make it king because I'm the server owner. I'm going to put it in yellow, display other, display from, different, and then here is all the permissions. Now this is the rule I was talking about. In order to make sure you are able to, make roles and do stuff like that, you will need the admin power. But yeah, I'm just going to give myself the admin power because that means all these powers are activated. And then no more nothing, I'm just going to close this, click on my name, give myself that role, and voila, that's that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.